Hi, it's Julie from Spellbound, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this absolutely adorable rocket pendant necklace and matching earrings. And we're mixing together gold coloured metal and silver coloured metal to make everything toned together. These are the materials I need for my rocket necklace. I've got a little rocket pendant for the centre. I've got stars in 2 sizes, and I've got some little teal and red 6mm beads that pick up on the colour in the rocket itself. Now the links I'm going to use to put loops on either side of the round beads and the stars, I'm going to use gold because I want to pick up on the gold colour that the rocket is made of, so the links through the beads will be made with gold coloured eye pins. I'm going to be using a silver chain to pick up on the shiny silver stars, and we'll use a gold clasp so we go with the silver gold theme all the way around. Now I've already put several of my star beads and my red and teal beads onto the eye pins and looped them. So I'll just show you what I've done. I've literally just threaded it on, trimmed to 8mm past, and used my round nose pliers to make a loop at the end, nice and snug against the bead. So I'm going to do that with the remaining few beads, set out my design, and I'll be back to you to show you how to link it up. I've made all my looped links now, and I used 6 eye pins in total because every time I started a new eye pin I used the trimming from the first link to make a second link. So I've only used 6 eye pins in total. That's all the wire I've got left from 6 eye pins, and I've also made 2 little star links for the earrings too. So you don't need too many findings to make a design like this. Now we need to do some linking to join everything together. Now because of the way the loop sits on the top of this pendant, I could end up with a huge number of jump rings at the front just to connect everything together, but I'm going to do it as simply as possible, and I'm going to use 1 jump ring to join this link onto there and a separate jump ring to join this link onto there. So let's start off by doing some jump ring linking. So these are 4mm jump rings. The gap where it's going to open is at the top, pliers at right angles and twist open. And let's join the first star on, twist shut, and let's get the other centre front star on too, so we can check that they're sitting well together, because a plan is all very well, but you actually need to see how it looks and be prepared to adjust as you go along if necessary. So let's have a little look. Yeah, that's nice. Minimum amount of wire really, but you've got enough for the rocket pendant to swing freely. So I'm just going to work out to one side. So there's the gap. Twist the loop open. You can see how the combination of silver and gold is starting to work. Just treating the gold as a colour rather than a finish, because we've got this bit of yellow on the bottom of the rocket as well, so it picks up on that. Now I did try to do this just with silver beads up the side, but the colours on the rocket are so vibrant it needed these coloured beads being added in, and I'm glad I've done it because it improves the design no end. Oops. look at that. You can see our linked chain running out to one side. I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'll show you how to join the chain on and complete the design. I've finished linking the other side of the design and I'm quite pleased with that, and I think just the chain on now will complete the necklace quite satisfactorily. So I've got some extra jump rings to join the chain onto that final star on each side, and then a pair of jump rings to join the clasp on. I'm going for gold to match in with the gold silver theme. So the chain is cut to approximately the right length to make up the full length of the design, but I haven't cut the centre back yet because it's easier to do that once everything is connected, because then it's easier to get both sides the same length. Sorry, you can tell when I'm concentrating because I talk more slowly rather than my normal gabble. There we go. Right, so it's made up into a necklace length now. So I've got a full length of necklace, but now it's easier to find the centre back, so I can hold those two jump rings together and find the centre back link. Let's trim that. That's it. Make sure both sides of the snipped link have fallen away, and now we just add the clasp with the two remaining jump rings. Now if you're clever, which I'm not claiming to be, you put the mechanical part of the clasp on the right hand side as it's worn, and the loop on the left hand side, because theoretically this necklace will have a right hand side and a left hand side because the pendant is only decorated on one side. There we go. There's our completed rocket necklace. Sorry about the wobble. Our completed necklace, which I rather like. Now we're going to finish off a pair of earrings to match. I've made the two star links that go above with the loops in the same plane. That means that when I look straight down on them, I can see the loops in full straight on. They're not twisted about slightly. That means if I use a jump ring to do that link there and the ear fitting goes straight on the top, everything will face forwards. So we just need a jump ring to make the link here. And we need ear fitting on the top, and this time it really does matter that we get this the right way around. So check that's all going to be right before we close. And one more to go. And we have a lovely set of necklace and earrings, which I think is, well, I like teal, so I'm always going to like this, but having a rocket on it is just much more exciting than a normal teal necklace. Earring complete. And it doesn't matter whether it's a a rocket or a flower or a butterfly pendant or whatever, just looking closely at the pendant and picking up the colours in your accessory beads makes all the difference to your finished design. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.